On my recent trip to Costa Maya, Mexico, I decided to do something different. I booked an all-inclusive day pass at El Fuerte Beach Resort. It cost just $68. With such a low price, I was very interested to see what this oceanfront resort would provide. If you're interested to hear about my experience, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are having a splendid day. And if you're new here, hello. My name is Kim, and I do cruise videos to help you have a better vacation. In my last video, I told you all about what there is to do right around the Costa Maya cruise port, all the activities and offerings within walking distance of your cruise ship. And I'll link that video at the end if you'd like to watch. That video is really helpful if you're trying to decide if you should get off the ship or stay on board. But in today's video, I'm going to tell you about an all-inclusive option that is just a quick taxi ride from the port, and it's very affordable. So let's dive in. This beach resort is less than a 10-minute drive from the port. And the day we were there, the cabbie charged just $8 each way. It was $8 for 2 passengers. If you do decide to give this beach excursion a try, make sure you have smaller bills because the cab drivers typically don't have change. Now, I booked this beach pass online at shoreexcursioner.com, and as I said, it was $68 per person. You have to pay around a $20 deposit per person on the website, and then you pay the remainder in cash when you get to the resort. So bring American dollars with you if you go. I don't believe they take credit cards. Oh, and children are welcome, and children do pay a lower rate. One of the things that appealed to me about this beach day pass is that the resort only offers 20 day passes each day. So if you're interested in going, you should book as early as you can. Also, the day pass at the resort is good from 8 a.m. until 7 p.m. So you can go whenever you like. You can just show up and you can stay as long as you can. So let's talk about what's included with the day pass. First, you have access to beachside loungers and umbrellas on the beach. Lunch is also included. I'll give you more information on that later. Snorkeling equipment is included, and you get free Wi-Fi. Finally, you get all the alcohol you can drink for 5 hours. Here are the drinks and cocktails that are included. This is what was listed on the website when I booked. They have a selection of beers, cocktails, sodas, and bottled water available. Now let's talk about my experience at the resort. When my husband and I arrived, we paid the balance, and then we were escorted to loungers on the beach. By the time we got there, all of the palapas were taken, but they took us to a beautiful shady area under palm trees and made sure that we were comfortable. Our server then took our drink order, and we each opted for a Mexican beer and a bottled water. The beach area wasn't too crowded, and there was a nice breeze even on this hot summer day. It was really pleasant and super relaxing. The service was fantastic. Our server checked in on us often to make sure we were happy and to ask if we needed a refill. The beach here isn't the most beautiful beach I've ever seen, but it is pretty nice, and Tom and I enjoyed taking a quick dip in the ocean every so often to cool off. After splashing around and enjoying a couple beers, we decided to get a massage, and the massage rates here are super reasonable. It was around $60 for a 60-minute massage. I highly recommend getting a massage if you come here. You can get the treatment on the beach, or they have an air-conditioned couples room inside. We chose to get our massages inside in the AC. Massages on cruise ships are insanely expensive, so this was a bargain. The massage was fantastic, and when it was over, we basically floated back to our lounge chairs. Oh, beside massages, you can rent paddle boards here, and you can also book a scuba diving or fishing trip for an additional fee. After our massages, it was time for some food. We asked our server if we could eat at one of the outdoor tables instead of at our beach loungers, and he said of course. We had grilled shrimp tacos and chicken fajitas. Both were tasty and filling. Other lunch options included nachos, quesadillas, ceviche, and salads. They had chicken, beef, fish, and shrimp to choose from. After lunch, we went back to our loungers to relax and hang out, and then about an hour later, we decided it was time to go back to the ship. We spent about 4 hours at the resort. It was funny because when we told our server we were ready to go, he said, no, you must have a margarita. Let me get you a couple shots of tequila. Come on. And we're like, no, thank you. We've Each had 3 beers and a couple waters, and we were all good. It was cute. I think the server thought that we weren't happy, and that wasn't the case at all. We told him we were very, very happy. I just wanted to go back to the port and do a little shopping. The port at Costa Maya has a ton of shops, and I really wanted time to browse. Again, if you want more information on the shops and activities at the cruise port, check out the video I will link at the end. So we said our goodbyes, we gave our server a $20 tip, and then they got us a taxi back to the port. All in all, this $68 day pass was a really, really good deal, especially when you consider it includes lunch and 5 hours open bar, so you can enjoy all the cervezas and margaritas you like. I definitely recommend this beach break to anyone visiting Costa Maya. It is a really nice experience without breaking the bank. And I think it's good for solo travelers, couples, families. It's just a really nice day. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and consider subscribing if you like videos like this one. Also, if you'd like to support my channel and help support me, you can check out the membership levels in the description box. Just click on the link and you'll get all the information about my membership group. You can become a fresh friend and enjoy early access to videos, exclusive videos, live member chats, all kinds of good stuff. Just check it out. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.